everybody, it's Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and today we launched the newest edition of Tonic Studios Stamp Club. This month's release is called Patterns and Prints, and it is such a fun release. I've got it over on my desk, and I'd love to show you all of the different elements, so let's go check it out.
All right, when you get your Stamp Club envelope this month, you will find inside a large 6x8 stamp set and a coordinating die set. As always, they come in this fantastic packaging with 3 holes punched on the side, a labeling tab at the top, and a notch so it's easy to get your stamp set out of the packaging. This month's bundle is all about adding texture to your projects. We've got 16 different stamps and they are in a wide variety of different patterns and prints. All of them are fabulous for adding texture to your cards and crafting projects. We've also got a great set of dies this month that have multiple word dies, some large textured dies for creating great focal points on your projects, and then we also have some dies that have the shadow background as well as the detailed word dies. Now let's take a look at some cards that I've made using this wonderful bundle. This Patterns and Prints bundle is available now exclusively from Tonic Studios. For more information, click the links in the description box below or head straight to the shop to pick up a bundle for yourself. Thank you. Have an amazing day.